Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about function point analysis. In order to calculate function point analysis, we are using the formula FP equals to UFP into CAF, where FP stands for function point, UFP stands for an adjusted function point, CAF stands for complexity adjustment factor. Further, we have to draw a table which represents functional unit with its weighted values. So the table is this is the first functional unit. First external input, second is external output, third is external inquiries, fourth is internal logical files, and the last one, fifth, is external interface files. And the weighted values are low, average, high. First, the external input, low is 3, average is 4 and high is 6. External output, low is 4, average is 5 and high is 7. External inquiries, low is 3, average is 4 and high is 6. For internal logical files, low is 7, average is 10 and high is 15. For external interface file, low is 5, average is 7 and high is 10. So further, the formula is FP is equal to UFP into CAF. That we already know. FP means function point, UFP means unadjusted function point, and CAF means complexity adjustment factor. To calculate UFP in FP, the formula is UFP equals to summation of I equals to 1 to 5. Summation of J equals to 1 to 3. Zij, Wij, where I stand for row and J stand for column. The formula for CAF is complexity adjustment factor is 0.65 plus 0.01 into summation of Fi, where Fi I is equal to 1 to 14. Fi degree of influence, जो based होता है on the response to rate each factor 0 to 5. Here's the scale 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On 0th, there is no influence. At 1, incidental. At 2 is moderate. At 3 is average. At 4 is significant. At 5 is essential. So this is all about function point analysis formula. Let's take a quick revision. FP function point equals to UFP unadjusted function point into CAF complexity adjustment factor. Here's function unit external input weighted values, low 3, average 4, high 6. Second external output, low 4, average 5, high 7. External inquiries, low 3, average 4, high 6. Internal logical files, low 7, average 10, high 15. External interface file, low 5, average 7, high 10. is formula FP is equal to UFP into CAF, where UFP equals to summation of I equals to 1 to 5, summation of J equals to 1 to 3. Zij, Wij. I stand for row, J stand for column. To calculate CAF, the formula is CAF is equal to 0.65 plus 0.01 into summation of Fi. I equals to 1 to 14. Fi, degree of influence, जो बेस्ड होता है ऑन द रिस्पॉन्सेज टू रेट द फैक्टर 0 to 5. 0 at 0 no influence, at 1 incidental, at 2 moderate, at 3 average, at 4 significant, at 5 essential. This is the scale. So further, let's solve some example. Example 1. Consider a project with the following function units. Number of user input 50, number of user output 40, number of user inquiries 35, number of user files 6, number of external interfaces 4. Assume all complexity adjustment factors and weighing factors are average. Note, weighing factors are average. Compute the function point for the project. So we have to draw table, this table again. The formula to calculate this is FP equals to UFP into CAF. To calculate UFP, that is summation of I equals to 1 to 5, summation of J equals to 1 to 3, Zij, Wij. That is, note here, all weighing factors are average. Means all the weighing factors is like average, their weighing value is average. So the number of user input is equal to 50 into average input 4 plus number of user output is 40. 40 into output average 5 plus number of user inquiries 35. 35 plus 4. Number of user file is 6 plus 6 into files average 10 plus number of external interfaces 4. 4 into external interfaces average 7. So further we have to calculate this. The answer is 200 plus 200 plus 140 plus 60 plus 28. The total is 628. Now next we have to calculate CAF. CAF, the formula for CAF is 0.65 plus 0.01 into summation of Fi. So 0.65 plus 0.01, all the weighing factors are 14 into, here's written average. So from scale we check where's average lie. At 3. Here's na, at 3 average is lie. So all the weighing factors are at 3 average. So 14 into 3. Let's calculate this. From the board mass rule, first we calculate the bracket, then multiplication, then addition. The final answer after this is 1.07. So now calculate the final answer FP function point UFP. UFP is 628 into CAF 1.07 and the final answer is 672. Here's. So level up. Let's solve the second example. It says An application has the following: 10 low external input, 12 high external output, 20 low internal logical files, 15 high external interface files, and a value of complexity adjustment factor is 1.10. It's already given the complexity adjustment factor value is 1.10. What are the unadjusted and adjusted function point count? Here I have already drawn the table, so let's calculate. The formula is FP is equal to UFP into CAF. To calculate UFP, the formula is summation of I equals to 1 to 5, summation of j equals to 1 to 3, Zij, Wij. So let's calculate. UFP equals to, here is given 10 low external input, 10 into external input and low 3 plus 12 high external output, 12 high external output and high 7 plus 20 low internal logical files, 20 low internal logical files 7 plus 15 high external interface files, that is 10. So let's solve this. $84, $140, $150, and the total is $404. Now further, to calculate FP, UFP into CAF. CAF is already given, that is 1.10, complexity adjustment factor of value 1.10. So 1.10, and UFP we already calculated, F404. So the final value, final answer is, this is the FP. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.